At Anthem Branding, we pride ourselves in being able to add an extra flair to what the industry typically offers in the realm of custom merchandise, and this project we'll be showing off today is no exception. Welcome to the world of dog walkers, where they've taken the simple pleasure of a leisurely stroll with your four-legged companion and turned it into an experience that you can enjoy with their premium cannabis pre-rolls. Dogwalkers believes that the best pre-rolls should offer a moment of pure, unconditional enjoyment, just like the satisfaction of a walk with your dog. Using their design principles of vintage charm and warmth and Dogwalker's unique aesthetic, our design team crafted a collection full of gorgeous and cohesive apparel and merchandise for the brand. And every purchase makes a positive impact on the lives of animals in need. From apparel like custom hats, hoodies, socks, and t-shirts, to cannabis merch like custom brass lighters, ashtrays, and stash bags, to dog accessories like leashes and bandanas and branded bowls. It has been an absolute pleasure to partner with Dogwalkers and see the love for this brand flourish. So not only have we successfully created a collection where premium cannabis meets premium merchandise, but our capabilities extend to so many other industries as well. Regardless of what industry you're in, from restaurants to pre-rolls, we serve it. You can contact us today to get a conversation started about merchandise for your brand, and we'd absolutely love to work with you.